Ha ha ha! Today is the day of rhymes. Let's enjoy two rhymes today. Here we go. The first rhyme is about four baby birds. Let's see what the rhyme has to say. Four baby birds with wings unfurled set off one day to see the world. From east to west they flew and flew. From north to south they flew and flew. Far and wide the birdies roamed. But best they said is home, sweet home. The next rhyme is about the moon and the star. The moon is my best friend. The star is my brother. Let's have a feast tomorrow or day after. You bring wild ferns. I'll bring some too. Then we'll have a feast, all of us together.